This week I'll be demonstrating some very simple line and wash decorating with ink, and I'll also be working on the first draft for What the Cage Bird Knows, which is book 2 in my current Cozy Mystery series, which you can read for free in Kindle Unlimited. Now, because I'm trying to do 2 different things, and the writing of a novel is the major thing, which takes a lot of time, I'm trying to do some things that will streamline the whole thing. So I'm taking my pilot inks, which are all mixable inks. Now you cannot just take any ink and mix them because you're dealing with chemical compounds and you don't know how those chemicals are going to react when you put them together. It's a little bit like, well, I don't know if you know, but you must never combine cleaners without knowing that they're combinable. You can actually create toxic gases. So keep that in mind. This particular brand of ink, pilot ink, can be intermixed. So I'm putting them out in a palette and working with them with a dip pen and a paintbrush. So sit back and relax and enjoy. I'm just going to demonstrate while you watch and listen to the music. Don't you love the freedom from distractions we get from working near our loved ones? This is my gorgeous Tessa. She's a great help with my work, as you can see.